In this video, I will share the One Piece Chapter 1099 spoiler that have been circulating in cyberspace since November 21. After the week's holiday, finally the One Piece manga has been released again for Chapter 1099, and here is some spoiler information from the chapter. The previous chapter, namely Chapter 1098, showed how Kuma accepted the sad fact about what happened to Genie. He died of a rare disease after becoming a slave to the Sky Dragons. On the other hand, he also received a surprise where Genie had a child, Bonnie, who she looked after herself. Then what happened in next chapter? There is some interesting information from the spoiler for One Piece Chapter 1099. First, the title for this new chapter is Peace Lover or Pacifist, which can be interpreted as peaceful love figure. The next information is that Chapter 1099 of the One Piece manga opens with a continuation of what appeared at the end of Chapter 1098 about King Bakery. In Chapter 1099, it is revealed that a birth of the Tyrant One Piece 1099 begins with the return of King Bakery to the Sorbet Kingdom, accompanied by marine troops. King Bakery received full support from world government to take over the Sorbet Kingdom again. However, Kuma and his supporters were able to defend the kingdom and repulse King Bakery and Marine. After King Bakery defeat, Bartholomew Kuma then became the next legitimate king of the Sorbet Kingdom at the request of the residents. Meanwhile, some other residents decide to live there. However, apparently, King Bakery still survived Kuma attack. He was the one who then spread bad rumors about Kuma and called Kuma a tyrant leader. King Bakery was still trying to regain power in the Sorbet Kingdom, and he attacked the region again. However, once again, Kuma succeeded in destroying King Bakery's entire army alone. After what happened to King Bakery, Kuma decided to form a pirate group and maintain his nickname as a tyrant ruler. The next information is that Bonnie apparently accidentally ate Toshi Toshi Devil Fruit. On the other hand, Monkey the Dragon then told Kuma about Vegapunk figure and his location, which was none other than Egghead Island. Kuma and Bonnie then went to Egghead Island and meet Vegapunk. This meeting then resulted in an agreement between Kuma and Vegapunk. Start of the Pacifista project. The most interesting detail from One Piece 1099 was when Kuma agreed to be the prototype for a new fighting force project, which Vegapunk named the Pacifista. Kuma took the decision so that Vegapunk would cure Bonnie of the mysterious illness. Meanwhile, at the end of the chapter, it is revealed that without the two of them realizing it, Gorosei Sanjay Garcia Saturn was also listening to the conversation. Luckily, there will be no weekly break for next week. We finally know why Kuma got the nickname as a tyrant. This was simply a slander that King Bakery gave to Kuma. On the other hand, information about Kuma and Vegapunk seemed to confirm previous speculation that Bonnie was part of the agreement.